My name is Una.
Fantastic. And tell me where we are today.
We are in London at a Samuel Leeds event. Um, and property event.
Can you tell me what the name of the event is specifically? Is it the £1 crash course, right?
It is the £1 crash course at the Samuel Leeds event.
Fantastic. And tell me, have you enjoyed the event?
I have enjoyed the event. And the event has encouraged me to come out of my box and to take some risk. I've really taken some big leap, and I'm hoping to see results.
Lovely. And have you taken any big leaps today? Have you actually started seeing any results?
Yes, my mindset has actually changed from the time I came in, but also I took the big leap of breaking my ISAF.
What is that?
So my ISAF was my savings, which I wouldn't touch, and so it was with the bank. And when I listened to Samuel Leeds and he was talking about the nurse, and that really impacted me. So I decided, okay, I'm going to take this risk.
Oh, I see. Okay, lovely. So you've signed on for more training?
Yes.
Lovely. Which training have you signed on for?
Towards the end, I think he gave us the 9 grand training for just about 1995, and
cheers, thanks for that. So yeah, just from the top. So which training have you signed on to?
All the trainings, because towards the end of the program, mid-program or end of program, he decided to give us the whole crash course for about 1995, and so I had to break my ISAF in order to pay for the course, in the hope that it works.
Fantastic. And how are you feeling? Are you excited?
Nervous, because I'm doing something that is out of my comfort zone.
Lovely. And tell me a bit about Samuel. How did you feel? Did you like his energy? How was his presence?
I like his energy. I like his presence, and I think he's somebody who knows what he's talking about, and he's very convincing. So I wouldn't break my eyes without not being convinced. But he's very convincing, and I think he will be a good mentor.
Fantastic. Final question: how did you feel about his sales? Were you okay with him selling you guys the courses at the end of the training?
Yes, because at the end of every training, you have to take
the question and the answer. So yes, I was okay.
Yes, I was okay, because it allowed me to do something that I wouldn't do, in the hope to get the result.
Fantastic. And to anyone who's on the edge thinking, do I go to the £1 crash course? What would you say to those people?
Do it.
Can I get you to say the question and the answer?
I would say to them, do it.
Yeah, to who?
To the people who are still thinking about doing it, or people who are worrying about doing it, I would say just do it.